Hi guys and welcome to Car Flicks. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Peugeot RCZ up off the ground. So without further ado, let's crack on with this video. Right, so as we all know, the RCZ is really hard to get up in the air because it's so low. Now, the things that you're going to buy to make this life so much easier is to get some of these. I got these off Amazon and you buy them in pairs. I can't remember how much they are, but I will put the link in the subscription below. But I've bought 4 so I can get the whole car up slightly to get the jacks under. So now you can see I've got the car up in the air and it gives you that little bit more room to get the jacks under. As we know, the jacking points are made of cheese on the RCZ for some reason on the front. So I found the next best place and I wanted to show you. Now the problem we've got is we've got a massive underguard on these cars, but what I have found is a potential place we can lift these is just where the arm is, the lower arm. There is a flat point just there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the jack, I'm going to put it at the point I'm talking about, and this is a strong point because obviously your lower arm connects to it, so we know that's strong. We don't want to touch the guard because obviously that will break, which I'm touching now. But if we just jack it up in between that and then position it just next to the guard, because we want to be able to take the guard off, you start lifting the car there, it starts to lift nicely. Now the best way to do this is to do it with 2 jacks. So I'm now going to go to the other side of the car and put a jack there as well. And now I've positioned both the jacks. What I'm doing is pumping one side at a time and then another one at a time just to get it in the air. Hey guys, so both the jacks are as high as they can go now, and you can see the arch gap there. So once you've got them high as you can, we're not using these because they're made of cheese and I've had to repair that one over there because it's knackered. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your chassis leg just at the back of these underguards, and we're going to put it just on there before we lower it down. We will have to wiggle these out both sides, but once you've got those out, the car will be able to rest safely on the chassis legs. Right guys, so she is up and I've had to put them that way around, but it has worked a treat. The next thing we're going to do is jack the back up under each suspension cup, and then we'll be able to take the back wheels off. If you do have 4 axle stands, you can safely use the non-cheese jacking point here, and you can place your axle stand on the suspension cup here. All you do is put 2 jacks under the bottom suspension cups, just there, one either side. Obviously ideally you'd have a jack stand under those, but unfortunately I don't have enough jack stands today because my 4 jack stands are under the BMW, so that will do. I'm only taking the back wheels off to bleed the brakes, so that should be more than safe. Thanks ever so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you lift your RCZ off the ground safely. If it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.